charging. We're putting it to charge one more time. We had to do a correction here so no short circuits will happen, and also we're going to be working on the tail lights. We already connected the RV. We already reinstalled the AC. Alright, we'll continue doing electrical work today, and we're going to install the new LED lights. We're gonna turn on the lights to see if they are live, and if they are live we will continue installing the rest of the lights. This is the first one of 4. We have to do the trim, sand the trim, and paint all the trims on the windows. We also have to paint and sand and trim the bumper. So we have work to do to make sure that this area is in good shape. We also have to detach the bumper, at least this area of the bumper, for us to be able to work on the area where the other hose should be connected. So we're looking forward to do that, but we need to remove the bumper in order to do that, to finish up that water tank project. So we'll continue reporting as time goes by the Yaryis.